Kukulkan killing an enormous alligator, burning of one flower and creating all the world. One energy creating the yin and yang. Enormous creature that creates all the space that we know. A powerful human that takes off of the sea all the islands. From our origin, we have created stories to explain the origin of our universe. Now, I will tell you the most accepted theory to explain it, the Big Bang. All the universe starts in a point so dense and so hot. The scientists now are secure of what happened before that moment, but they are working to have a little idea of what happened, in which was the provocation of the origin of the universe. When the universe had 100 of million of billion of a billion of second, the universe had a accelerated increment of size multiplying 90 times. After this step, the universe grow in a slower velocity and be more color. In the first 3 minutes after the Big Bang, a primordial soup was created. The first in being created was light chemical elements. Then the protons and neutrons, that is the parts that compose a atom, collision and create the essential part that creates a hydrogen, deuterium, and then combine to create the helium. We'll talk about atoms, electrons, and neutrons. But what is it? An atom is the smallest part in a substance that can be decomposed chemically. So each atom has a nucleus that have protons and neutrons. The protons are positive particles, and neutrons was particles without charge. The electrons was a negative charge. But what is electrical charge? Right now, what is an atom? What is the elements that compose an atom? But what is an electrical charge? Electric charge is a physical property that has some subatomic particles. Each have forces of attraction and repulsion. These forces attract or repulse the same force. For example, if a electric charge positive be with another electrical charge positive, they will be project. But if one's a positive and a negative, they will be attract. So much years ago, the universe don't have stars. The dark age universal. But one day, groups of gas collapsed and sufficient to form the first stars. And then a gigantic bucket of gas become more and more dense and then form an immense group of stars that will be the first galaxies. In one arm of the Milky Way galaxy, a cloud of gas forms a sun, and so many blocks that are orbit there form mini planets that then will form moons, asteroids, and planets. Some years before the birth of our planet, two microplanets collision Theia combined to another planet. Some parts of Theia will destroy, and other parts form the Earth and the Moon.